Hello guys, how are you? Now you can see on my screen the beautiful page that I have created via my coding, and now you can see text, and here is the mic button. Now I will press the mic and you will see the Sidhu Moosewala live singing. See, here we go. One, two, three, pressed. See guys, I can stop it, press again. So guys, see. See friends, hope you like it, and if yes, then please hit the like button and I will come more demo like this. Thank you.